Ever type something in Excel and it spills right into the next column? Let's fix that in seconds. Today, I'll show you the quickest way to stop text from overflowing into nearby cells. No spillover, no layout issues. Okay, let's jump right in. Let's say you've got a column for notes like this one. You type a long sentence and it floods into the next column. Here's how to fix that. First, select the cells with the overflowing text. Go to the Home tab and click Wrap Text. Just like that, Excel wraps the text inside the same cell. No more spillover. Adjust the row height if needed. Want to stop the text from spilling without wrapping it into multiple lines? Here's a smart alternative. Select the cell. Press Ctrl+1 to open Format Cells. Go to the Alignment tab. Under Horizontal, choose Fill from the drop-down. Now click OK. This option fills the cell space without letting the text spill into the next column. Perfect for compact layouts. And that's it. If this helped you out, give it a quick like, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more practical, time-saving Excel tricks. Thanks for watching.